students, what's up? What do you want to learn today? I want to learn today about traffic signs. Okay, let's have a look. Road signs keep the road safe for pedestrians and drivers. They are of three types: circular signs, triangle signs, and rectangular signs. We will read in this video. First sign is a stop. A stop sign is used on roadways where traffic is required to stop before entering a major road. The stop sign is only eight-sided sign. It asks driver to stop. Now we are moving to prohibited sign. Prohibited signs marks with that particular red line are called prohibited signs. One way. One-way signs specifies that the traffic moves in a single direction and you may not go in this way. No entry. This sign is located at places where the vehicles are not allowed to enter. No way both directions. This sign is used at the end of the road where entry to all types of vehicular traffic is prohibited. Horn prohibited. Sounding of horn is not allowed near hospitals and in silence zone. No right turn. Vehicles are not allowed to make a turn to the right. No left turn. Vehicles are not allowed to make a turn to the left. No U-turn. This sign is used at places where vehicles are forbidden to make a turn to the reverse directions of the travel. Overtaking prohibited. Sight distance is restricted and overtaking will be dangerous. Pedestrian prohibited. Pedestrians are not allowed there. Bicycles prohibited. Cycles are not allowed. Trucks prohibited. Movement of trucks is not allowed. No parking. Parking is not allowed, but vehicles can stop for short duration to allow passengers to get into or get out of the vehicle. No stopping. Vehicles cannot stop even temporarily. Now we are moving to compulsory signs. Compulsory signs with the blue board are compulsory signs. Compulsory turn left. This sign indicates that vehicles are permitted to proceed left only. Sound horn compulsory. This sign indicates that must blow the horn. Buses only. This sign means that only buses are allowed and other traffic is not allowed on this road. Pedestrian only. This sign means only pedestrians are allowed and the traffic is not allowed on this road. Now we are moving to cautionary signs. Cautionary signs with the triangles are cautionary signs. Triangle signs are cautionary signs. They warn people about unsafe conditions on the road. Right left hand curve. This sign is used where the directions of the alignment changes. The sign forewarns the driver to reduce the speed and proceed cautiously along the road. Narrow road. This sign is normally found in rural areas where a sudden reduction in width of pavement causes a danger to traffic. This road width. This sign is normally found in rural areas where a sudden widening of the road causes a danger to traffic. Narrow bridge. This sign is erected on the road in advance of bridges where the clear width between the curbs or wheel guard is less than normal width of carriageway. Crossroad. This sign is displayed in advance of the crossroad where a sufficiently large volume of the crossing or entering traffic with restricted sight distance is likely to constitute a hazard. Roundabout. This sign is used where it is necessary to indicate the approach to a roundabout. Speed limit. This sign is erected at the beginning of the area covered by a speed restrictions, with numerals indicating the speed limit in km per hour. In addition to this, there are more informatory and cautionary signs, which we learn later. Thanks for watching. I promise to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.